Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about
the previous gate question.
right next question. See this one here, non-salient pole, synchronous generator having synchronous reactance of 0.8 per unit. What they given? Synchronous reactance they given 0.8 per unit. Supplying 1 per unit power to unity power factor. What is the power? 1.0 per unit. The power factor is unity power factor. Unity power factor load at terminal voltage of 1.1 per unit. My terminal voltage 1.1 per unit. Neglecting the armature resistance, nothing but impedance angle 90 degrees. The angle of the voltage behind the synchronous reactance with respect to angle of terminal voltage in degrees. They want in degrees, nothing but they want the angle between EMF comma voltage. They want the angle between EMF and voltage. So first we have a formula to find EMF. E is equals to V plus IAXS. Yeah, but we don't know IA, right? What is the formula for IA? P is equals to root 3 VL IL cos pi. So for this IA is equals to per unit values. That's why IA is equals to how much it is? P 1 divided by root 3 and VL and cos pi. If you calculate this value, you can get 0.91. Actually this is in terms of per unit, that's why no need to take the root 3 value, right? No need to take the root 3 value. Here P is equals to VL IL cos pi, then IA is equals to 1 divided by 1.11, then you can get 0.91. Yeah, 0.91 per unit is my IA. 0.91 per unit is my IA. Then substitute here. E is equals to 1.1 at an angle 0 plus 0.91 at an angle 0. Why this is 0? V is the reference. Why this is 0? Unity power factor multiplied excess 0.8 at an angle 90 degrees. Why? Because the impedance angle 90 degrees. If you calculate this value, you can get 1.319 at an angle 33.49 degrees. What is the value? This EMF, if you calculate this one, you can get 1.319 at an angle 33.49 degrees. So what is the answer? E at an angle delta is equals to 1.319 at an angle 33.49 degrees. So delta, the load angle between E and V, is equals to 33.49 degrees. 33.49 degrees. This is our answer. Just we have to know the IA first, then after you have to substitute IA here. P is equals to root 3 VL. Normally for per unit values VL IL cos pi, then you can get 0.91 per unit, then we can get EMF at an angle delta. So delta is our answer.